How much does an OWI cost in Wisconsin? Well, you have usually about an $800 to $1,000 forfeiture. That's the amount in the top right-hand corner. That is inclusive of court costs, but it may not be inclusive of a blood draw fee, things like that. So usually it's about another $50. You have to do what's called an AODA assessment, which is usually about $200 to $400, usually somewhere towards the lower to middle end of that range. You have to do what's called a driver's safety plan, which can run into the thousands of dollars, but usually it's something in the hundreds. You may have to get what's called an ignition interlock device, and if so, that must be installed on all vehicles that is titled or registered in your name. That will usually run about $1,000 per car per year, and by the way, it will be a crime for you to operate any motor vehicle without that ignition interlock device installed. You will also have to replace your existing auto insurance policy with something called SR22 auto insurance. Needless to say, a high-risk auto insurance policy mandated by the state following an OWI conviction doesn't get any cheaper. There's other peripheral penalties and costs as well, as it may relate to term life insurance quotes, obviously your driving ability when it comes to rent cars, when it comes to getting regular auto insurance once you're off SR22. There's been various studies that have basically booked this, sometimes in the tens of thousands of dollars. Honestly, it's really going to depend upon the individual and your exact situation.